The eighth essential element of an outreach system is people, professionals with outreach DNA. You've got to have the right individuals out there as outreach practitioners.
The bottom line there is that not everybody's cut out to be an outreach professional. We know that. And to blindly say that it's everybody's job in the organization to be outreach and not assign it to somebody, that's a little difficult because not everybody's an outgoing personality. Not everybody can help control a conversation. Not everybody's has the personality skills to be forthright or come forward in a crowd. So the fact is that we can help you in this we can help you decide what is the right outreach DNA.
Exactly. Listening, which is a skill I struggle with, quite frankly, is important. So you need to have individuals that are good listeners and then can take action on that listening. So having the right individuals with outreach DNA will be a very important element of your outreach system, and we'll help you with that.